Today, we'll be exploring Introduction to Java, understanding its basics and syntax.
Welcome to Codecraft. I'm Harman Segal, and here we'll master Java programming using NetBeans.
Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language that is widely used for building applications. Developed by Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s, Java's syntax is similar to C++, making it easier for programmers familiar with C-based languages to learn and use. Java's object-oriented nature encourages developers to use objects and classes, promoting modularity and code reusability. This makes complex programs easier to manage and extend. Additionally, Java's extensive standard library, known as the Java API, provides a wide range of pre-built classes and methods for performing common programming tasks, simplifying development. Java also supports multi-threading, allowing applications to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, which is essential for creating responsive and high-performance software. Its security features, including a robust security framework and access control mechanisms, further enhance its reliability and make it a preferred choice for many developers across various domains. Java's syntax is defined by its rules and conventions. It uses semicolons to terminate statements and curly braces to define code blocks. Familiarity with types, data variables, and control structures like loops and conditionals is crucial for writing Java code. Understanding Java's syntax is essential for writing effective programs. Java relies on clear and consistent rules, such as using semicolons to mark the end of each statement and curly braces to group statements into code blocks. Additionally, a solid grasp of data types, variables, and control structures like loops, for while, and conditionals, if, switch, forms the foundation of Java programming, enabling developers to write precise and efficient code. Understanding the basics and syntax of Java is the first step towards becoming a proficient Java developer. By mastering its core concepts, you lay the foundation for building robust applications and leveraging Java's extensive libraries and frameworks for your projects. With a solid grasp of Java's syntax, you'll be well equipped to tackle more advanced topics and create powerful software solutions. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Java's basics and syntax. Mastering these foundational concepts is crucial for becoming a skilled Java developer. By understanding Java's core principles, you'll be able to build robust applications and take full advantage of its extensive libraries and frameworks. Your journey into Java programming starts here, and with these fundamentals, you're well prepared to dive deeper into more advanced topics and create impactful software.